Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to hack your Ninja Thirsti so you don't have to use those 60-liter bottle of canisters of CO2. You can connect it to a big gallon of CO2. Like you can see that I have a 5-gallon in one easy step. So we all know we love this Ninja Thirsti. We love the fact that it gives us different flavors. So right here is the dragon fruit, and we have the peach mango. I love it so much. I brew me several of them a day. So we all know that it comes with a 60-liter container of CO2. So you can use the soda stream if you'd like, but I'm sick and tired of having to replace these. These are not that big, and it does only allow you to get 100 cups of the 12-ounce cups. So we're just going to throw this away to the side. And so what I did was I bypassed the original CO2 canisters. I've connected it to this adapter hose, just like I did with my soda stream in a previous video. I'll link that in the description. So right here is the adapter that is connected to my 5-gallon of CO2. So they do offer 5 gallons all the way up to 500 gallons and even more, because they do have like beer breweries that need CO2. So all I did was buy this adapter, which I'll link that in the description, and I just screwed this in finger tight. You don't need it any more than a finger tight. You just push that down, and on the other end you will screw that into your canister. And then once you got it screwed into the canister, you'll just plug this on. You'll have to take off the door. Unfortunately, you can't use this unless you cut it at the bottom, because the hose itself will kind of tilt your machine, which I didn't want to tilt it. So it is super easy to pop off. So once you pop it off, you'll have access to the hose to go to the CO2 canister. I'm just going to move this aside so you can see how I connected it. And it's just twisted by finger tight, and you're just, once you're done twisting it, you'll push that back in, you'll connect it, and then you'll put the power on, turn on the canister, and then once you open up this CO2 canister, you should brew like normal. This one here should give you a lot of usage, way more than the other canisters, because those canisters are only 60 liters, and this one here is up to 5 gallons. I have brewed my drink, which this is the dragon fruit and the peach mango. It tastes the same. There is no difference. The fact is that I get a lot more and I don't spend as much. So I actually got this hack to help you to save money and to allow you to have more usage before having to replace your CO2 canister.